everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a special video on drawing of animals. First on the list is a dog. We are going to write the letters 61 and 62 as shown in the video. Join all points to make a structure of the dog. Now you can see that we are going to make the tongue and the tail and color it as you want. Now you can see that our dog is ready. Draw a ladybird. Write the letter A and join as shown in the video. Make the structure and the eyes of the ladybirds. Add more details to the ladybird and color it. Now you can see our ladybird is ready. Next we are going to draw a cute little panda beside the bamboo tree. Do as directed in the video. Now we can add more finishing to the bamboo tree as seen in the video. Now color the panda and you can see that our panda is ready.